You didn't go into the military to be ordinary, because you're meant for something greater. So when you're ready to throw your future into overdrive, don't follow the herd for the next 4 years. Forge your path with WyoTech.
So welcome to the fire.
Our technical programs put veterans in the fast lane for a future in the trades in just 9 months. And your benefits have the potential to take you further, faster, because of the unique way our programs are built. At WyoTech, we honor our veterans because you fought to secure our nation's future. Now let us help you build yours. Apply online at wyoTech.edu/veterans. Know your brand. Forge your path. Take hold of your future with WyoTech.